Hey, how's everyone doing out there today? Hope everyone's having a good day. So I want to bring you an item that I picked up from Honda that'll work perfectly in the trunk here of the TLX. I did this on the 2.0 Accord I had. It works really good, very useful, and I had an extra set laying around. So I thought, why not install it in this, and it will come in really handy, probably for a lot of you out there. So let me go ahead and share exactly what I just got for the TLX. So here it is. If you remember before, you're able to order the D-rings from Honda and they go right in this spot right here. And the Accord had them. I wasn't sure if the TLX would be the same, but it is. Same type of pin that they use. So this is what comes out of here. You just use a retaining pin puller, or you can use a flathead screwdriver. And this one's already installed. It's really easy. It's super strong too when you get it in there. And you don't have to drill out anything. It's easy to do. So if you want a place to hook a cargo net, tie down some cargo that you have, you don't want it rolling around, this is a perfect option. It's an OEM option. And then this right here you can cut out. That's why it's cut like that, if you really want to utilize it, so it's not interfering with the hooks there. I'm going to go ahead and leave them because you can still use the hook on top. But if you got to use it all the time, you might want to cut out that little perforation there. But let me go ahead and show you how easy it is to install. And this is what you pick up here. I'll put the part number in the description, but this is what you get. You get 2 of them. And they're not expensive, like I think $8. And this is what's coming out, the little compression pins. And this is what goes into them. And like I said, it's really easy to do. You don't need to drill out to enlarge the hole. It'll fit perfectly, and it gives you that lower spot where you can hook stuff onto. So this is a trim puller. Works really good. And you just put it in there and wedge it off. So this is how it looks when it comes out. You have to put some force because those little fins on it hold pretty tight, but it'll just pop out. Okay, so then what you're gonna do is take the cap off of the base here, because this is 2 pieces. So they separate. You just have to use a flathead screwdriver. Okay, you just put it in the edge there and it'll pop off. So then this is what you're left with. Okay, and then this will go in the hole here in the side. I'll show you better. I'll turn the light on it so you can get a better view of what I'm doing. Okay, so I just set that in there, and it won't hold because you need that top part to clamp it in place. Okay, so that just sits in there, and then you just take the top part here and you're just gonna put it through the middle. Now this you're gonna have to put some force on, but it will go on. So if you can't get it with your thumb, take a little rubber mallet and give it one good tap and it'll go in there. That's all there is to it. And like I said, it's super strong for being plastic. It's all OEM. You don't have to buy no special hardware to do it. You don't have to enlarge the hole with a drill, nothing like that. Fits perfect. And I like it because now if you want to put a cargo net, you have a spot where you can anchor the bottom, because usually you just anchor the top and it kind of flips around there. It's a nice design. With the Accord, when I did it, you had to drill out the bottom hole a little bit for some reason, but this one fit a lot better. So if you guys are needing to secure some cargo in here and you don't want to rig it to work, this is a perfect option. Like I said, for about $10. You get these things and pop them in, and now you can clip things onto them, or at least a cargo net, and then you can clip the top to where the trunk arms go in, and now you have yourself a nice little cargo system to prevent some from flying around. I find it useful because even with this mat, of course, when you take a corner, things fly all over the place. And I like how it's OEM. You can order it online, but the thing I found out, the cheapest way is just call your dealer, give them the part number, and more than likely it'll be cheaper because you don't pay for shipping. And even though it's really small, you'll pay anywhere from $5 to $8 to ship this thing. So, and here's the instructions, and it shows it with the cord because that's what it's designed for, but it fits perfectly in here as well since they utilize a lot of the same parts. So if you guys are wanting something like this, shows it, you can even secure a box, kind of like what I have in here, a little cargo box. You can hook that down to it because that does fly around once in a while. So that would be a good idea too. So again, I wanted to share that with you guys. If you didn't know that part actually works from the cord, since like I said, a lot of parts are carryover. I find out as I go through this car. So I just want to share it with you guys. Definitely pick it up. Again, the part number will be in the description. I appreciate it. Let me know if you have any questions or comments. I'll definitely get back to you. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks again, everybody.